And here we are at Panama Jack, Playa del Carmen. This is a brand new renovated junior suite ocean view. It's a massive room, nice and spacious. There's a closet here. Let's see. Oh wow, that's really big. Nice big safe, and of course bathrobes there, and then a bathroom. Oops, the light switch. There we go. Nice huge shower. Oh, I like this. Obviously you can tell this is, I'm seeing this for the first time as well. Single vanity, but lots of space. Separate toilet area in the back. Nice big fluffy towels. New decor. And then here, a flat screen TV. Oh, new cupboard set. Minibar. And that includes, oh, it's even loaded. Okay, so beer, pop, and water.
Yes,
and
they restock one time at the day.
Once a day. And then we've got USB cable there, so you can charge your phone. Oh, coffee station.
Yeah. Hola.
Perfect. Nice comfy beds. Oh, and that's the reading lights.
Yeah.
I like that.
I like to.
Perfect. That's great. And room service is included. Room service is included, but
Yes, it's 7 to 11.
7 to
The
11.
last, yes, the last phone call is 10:30.
Okay.
The last delivery 11.
Okay. And we've got, wow, okay, check this out. So if you have a lot of stuff that you need to charge, camera or phone, you've got 2 USBs here, 2 more plugins here, 2 more USBs here, and you can even plug into the back of this. No, actually you can't, but you can plug something into it. So that's really cool. And that's your temperature control for the fan. Ah, okay. And of course we do have air conditioning in here. Oh, there's up there. Looks brand new. Feels nice and cool in here, sitting area. And then this is a really large balcony. Wow, that's amazing. And you're cool, so close here to Playa del Carmen. It's just literally, well, we're in Playa del Carmen, but we're literally 1 block
By the Fifth Avenue.
from Fifth Avenue.
Yeah.
So if you want to do shopping, absolutely perfect. Great. Well, what are you waiting for? Come and check it out.